Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding your options. Spotify's free tier doesn't allow official downloads, but there are legitimate workarounds you should know about. The platform changed its approach in 2026, so we're covering the methods that actually work right now. Step 2. Use Spotify's web player offline feature. Even without premium, you can access downloaded songs through your library if you've previously saved them on a connected device. Sign into your account and navigate to your saved tracks. Step 3. Try third-party apps like Spotlist or similar services. These tools can export your playlists and convert them into formats you can download. Always check that you're using reputable apps to protect your account security. Step 4. Consider Spotify's student discount. If you qualify, Student Premium costs significantly less and includes download features. It's often cheaper than you'd expect and supports the artists you love. Step 5. Download through your mobile device's cache. Some Android phones allow you to access Spotify's cached files through file managers. This workaround lets you keep songs available offline without paying for premium. Just remember that respecting artists' work matters, so explore these options carefully.